Who is biological father of Jesus? Listen, practically, Jesus does not have any practical biological father, because the creator of the Jesus is no one except Allah. And the practical proof that Allah is the creator of Jesus is that in the 21st century you can see the creatures of nature in this world, like beasts, birds, animals, trees, sky, vegetables, and fruits, and lions, cats, dogs, puppies, etc. They have witnessed the name of Allah by the command of Allah, by the power of Allah. In the 21st century, they are orally and witnessing and speaking the name of Allah. And even the newborn babies who are coming from the womb of their mothers, they also witness the name of Allah by the power and command of Allah. So, according to the witness of the newborn babies, they have witnessed the name of Allah, not the name of Jesus. So, how did they do that? Because Allah is the creator of newborn babies. It means that Allah is the creator of all the human beings. So, Allah practically demonstrated His name through the mouth of newborn babies, which you can see on www.godofnature.org website. Now, according to the practical proof of newborn babies, according to the witness of newborn babies, Allah is the creator. So, now, because Allah is the creator, so Allah told about the birth of Jesus in the Holy Quran. And according to the Holy Quran, the Jesus was not created by any biological father. And why I'm now telling you about the Quran? Because I have told you about that Allah is a practically proven true God of the nature and universe, according to the witness and practical proof of creatures of nature. This is why, since the Allah is the real God, so now whatever Allah has told, whatever Allah has said in the Holy Quran is 100% true and right. So that is why I'm telling you, Jesus is not God at all. Jesus was not created through any biological father. Jesus was created by the command of Allah in the womb of his mother. And what is the practical proof that babies are created in the womb of mother by Allah? I have told you about godofnature.org website. You can see how many newborn babies have witnessed the name of Allah. So go, watch, listen, and think with common sense and open mind. And I hope you will understand. And if you are a non-Muslim, I request you to please kindly think about it and revert back to Islam, because you will understand that you are also a Muslim by birth, and you can see and learn about it and understand from the newborn baby's witnesses. Thank you and take care.